Welcome. This is greenhouse or glass house, we can say, especially prepared for the flowers or especially prepared for the growing of the flowers. Here, especially, we can see the hydrangea flower, and other flowers are also available, but dominantly hydrangea we can see here. The chrysanthemums, cardamums are also available, and we prepare these flowers with the help of this soil. What the soils are, you can ask, or you may have question. This is coco peat, and we are using two types of soil here for the gardening, especially coco peat and peat moss. Peat moss is made of sphagnum moss, and it is available in the wetland, especially of Russia, Canada, in this area. And coco peat is available in those hot area like India, Sri Lanka, from where gardeners receive coco peat. This you can see the coco peat. Coco peat is made of the coconut husk fiber. See, this is the coconut fiber from which the coco peat is made of. And here you can see another, it is a little bit different. You can see the color in between this and this is different, and this one is peat moss. You can see here the peat moss we use here. The peat moss is made of the sphagnum moss. Let's see the difference in between them. The peat moss has a little bit dark color and it has light color. It means maybe vary according to the manufacturer, but here we see, and it has lots of this type of water retention capability, although it has also, but it has more. So we can say the peat moss is best for the moisture loving plants, more capacity of water retention. And here the coco peat also has the same level, but a little bit less than the peat moss. But peat moss and coco peat can be used again and again, reused, but peat moss cannot be reused regularly. So who want to use the same soil again, recycle, that is the option is coco peat is best. Here we can see the peat moss has the acidity level, and it has pH 3.6 to 4, as the coco peat has around to neutral, but about to 6.6, that is of coco peat. And we prepare here. See, you can see lots of color, lots of soils hit the mixture. The color is different here, and here if you see, here we have mixes. We have mixed coco peat and peat moss, but if you mix in this way,